for best anti-aging oils for high-heat cooking to protect collagen. And 4 worst oils speed up aging. Many people over 50 work hard to eat healthy, yet their skin keeps thinning, wrinkles deepen, joints ache, and recovery slows down. What most seniors don't realize is that one silent culprit may already be sitting in the kitchen cabinet: cooking oil. When certain oils are heated, they create compounds that quietly break down collagen, the protein that keeps skin firm, joints strong, and blood vessels flexible. But the good news is simple: choosing the right oils for high-heat cooking can help protect collagen and slow visible aging. Today, 4 powerful oils that support healthy aging will be revealed, along with 4 common oils that may actually accelerate aging. Before discovering which cooking oils may help protect collagen after 50, take a moment to support the channel. Subscribe for trusted health tips designed especially for seniors. Like this video, and share in the comments which oil is most often used in the kitchen. Every shared experience helps others learn. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the most respected cooking oils when it comes to protecting collagen and supporting healthy aging. This traditional oil contains natural compounds called polyphenols, which act as powerful antioxidants in the body. Over time, everyday stress inside the body can create unstable molecules known as free radicals. These molecules slowly damage collagen, the important protein that keeps skin firm, joints flexible, and blood vessels strong. Polyphenols found in extra virgin olive oil help neutralize these harmful molecules, reducing oxidative stress and helping preserve collagen as the body ages. Researchers often point to the Mediterranean region when discussing healthy aging. In countries surrounding the Mediterranean Sea, extra virgin olive oil is used daily for cooking, dressing vegetables, and preparing traditional meals. Many long-term nutrition studies have shown that people following Mediterranean-style eating patterns tend to experience lower rates of heart disease, better mobility in later life, and healthier skin as they age. Nutrition scientists believe olive oil plays an important role because of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties for adults over 50. Protecting collagen becomes especially important because the body naturally produces less of it with age. Some doctors explain that chronic inflammation and oxidative damage can accelerate this loss. The natural compounds in extra virgin olive oil may help calm these processes, supporting healthier skin elasticity and helping the body maintain stronger connective tissue. Many people worrying that olive oil should never be used with heat. But quality extra virgin olive oil can safely handle moderate cooking temperatures. Its stable monounsaturated fats help resist breakdown when heated properly. Studies suggest these healthy fats may also support cardiovascular health by helping maintain balanced cholesterol levels and protecting blood vessel function when used regularly in cooking. Extra virgin olive oil provides more than flavor. It offers protective plant compounds, healthy fats, and gentle support for collagen that aging bodies depend on to stay resilient, flexible, and strong. Avocado oil is widely considered one of the most heat-stable cooking oils, making it especially valuable for adults over 50 who want to protect their bodies from unnecessary oxidative damage during cooking. One of the key reasons is its very high smoke point, often reaching around 500 degrees Fahrenheit or about 260 degrees Celsius. The smoke point is the temperature at which an oil begins to break down and release harmful compounds. When oils break down under heat, they can produce substances that increase oxidative stress in the body. Avocado oil resists this breakdown better than many common cooking oils, which makes it safer for frying, roasting, and sautéing at higher temperatures. This oil is naturally rich in monounsaturated fats, the same type of heart-suppurative fats found in foods often recommended by nutrition experts for healthy aging. These fats help maintain the flexibility of cell membranes throughout the body. For older adults, this can play an important role in maintaining skin hydration, circulation, and joint comfort. Some doctors explain that healthy fats help the skin maintain moisture and elasticity, both of which depend heavily on strong collagen structures beneath the surface. Avocado oil also contains vitamin E, a nutrient known for its protective role in the body. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, helping protect cells from oxidative stress that slowly weakens tissues over time. Oxidative stress is one of the major factors involved in the gradual breakdown of collagen, the protein responsible for maintaining firm skin and resilient connective tissue. When collagen fibers become damaged, skin may appear thinner and joints may feel less supported. Research published in Nutrition journals has highlighted the presence of additional plant antioxidants in avocado oil that work alongside vitamin E. These compounds help defend collagen fibers from damage caused by heat and oxidation. Because the oil remains stable even during cooking, many of these protective nutrients remain active. For aging bodies, choosing stable cooking fats like avocado oil may help reduce unnecessary stress on tissues that already face natural collagen decline with age. Coconut oil is known for its remarkable stability during cooking because of its unique saturated fat structure. Unlike many vegetable oils that contain fragile polyunsaturated fats, coconut oil is composed mostly of saturated fatty acids. This chemical structure makes the oil far more resistant to oxidation when exposed to heat. Oxidation occurs when fats break down under high temperatures and react with oxygen, producing harmful compounds that can stress cells throughout the body. Because coconut oil remains stable, it is less likely to form these damaging substances during high-heat cooking. Oxidized oils can contribute to oxidative stress, a process linked to the gradual breakdown of collagen and other important tissues. Collagen is the protein responsible for maintaining skin strength, joint support, and the integrity of blood vessels. As people age, collagen naturally declines, and exposure to unstable cooking oils may accelerate that process. Some nutrition researchers explain that stable fats like coconut oil help reduce the chances of producing heat-damaged compounds that may otherwise place additional strain on the body's repair systems. Coconut oil has been used for centuries in many tropical regions where it plays a central role in traditional diets. Populations in parts of Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands have historically relied on coconut-based foods for daily cooking. Researchers studying these dietary patterns have observed that coconut oil's natural stability makes it practical for repeated cooking in warm climates, where high heat is common. Another reason coconut oil is often discussed in nutrition research is its content of medium-chain triglycerides, often called MCTs. These fats are metabolized differently than many other dietary fats. Instead of being stored easily, they are rapidly converted into energy by the liver. Some doctors explain that this may provide a gentle energy source for older adults whose metabolism changes with age. When used in moderate amounts for cooking, coconut oil provides a heat-resistant fat that supports stable cooking conditions. Its resistance to oxidation helps limit the formation of harmful compounds that may contribute to cellular stress and aging over time. Ghee, also known as clarified butter, has been used for centuries as a traditional cooking fat in many cultures because of its stability and ability to handle high heat. During the preparation of ghee, regular butter is gently heated until the milk solids separate and are removed, leaving behind pure butter fat. This process changes the structure of the fat and raises its smoke point, allowing it to tolerate higher cooking temperatures without breaking down quickly. Because the milk solids are removed, ghee is less likely to burn during cooking compared with ordinary butter. When cooking oils or fats break down under high heat, they can produce compounds linked to oxidative stress inside the body. Some doctors explain that limiting exposure to these damaged fats may help protect tissues that already become more vulnerable with age. The stable fat structure of ghee helps reduce the formation of these harmful compounds when used properly in cooking. This stability is one reason why ghee has remained a preferred cooking fat in traditional kitchens for generations. Ghee also contains small amounts of fat-soluble vitamins that naturally occur in butter fat. These include vitamins A, D, E, and K, which play important roles in maintaining healthy tissues throughout the body. Vitamin A supports skin health and cellular repair. Vitamin D contributes to bone strength and helps regulate important functions related to immunity. Vitamin E works as an antioxidant that helps defend cells from oxidative damage, while vitamin K supports proper calcium balance in bones. For adults over 50, maintaining strong connective tissue and healthy bones becomes increasingly important. Nutrition researchers note that fat-soluble vitamins are absorbed more effectively when consumed with dietary fats, such as ghee. When used in moderate amounts, this traditional cooking fat can provide a stable source of energy while also helping deliver nutrients that support healthy aging. Its long history in traditional diets reflects its practical use for cooking methods that rely on consistent heat and stable fat. Soybean oil is one of the most widely used cooking oils in the modern food industry, largely because it is inexpensive and produced in very large quantities. Many processed foods, Packaged snacks and restaurant meals rely on soybean oil as a primary ingredient. Its low cost and long shelf life make it attractive for large-scale food production, but some nutrition researchers raise concerns about how this oil may affect the body over time, especially for adults over 50. One concern involves the oil's very high content of omega-6 fatty acids. While the body does need small amounts of omega-6 fats, excessive intake can disturb the natural balance between omega-6 and omega-3 fats in the diet. Some doctors explain that when this balance shifts too far toward omega-6 fats, it may promote inflammatory processes inside the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked in research studies to several age-related conditions, including joint discomfort, cardiovascular stress, and changes in skin structure. Processing methods also play a role. Most commercial soybean oil is highly refined through industrial heating, chemical extraction, and bleaching processes. These steps can strip away beneficial nutrients while making the oil more vulnerable to oxidation during cooking. Oxidized fats may increase oxidative stress in the body. Inflammation and oxidative stress are two factors often connected to the gradual breakdown of collagen. Collagen is the structural protein responsible for keeping skin firm and connective tissues strong. When collagen weakens, skin elasticity declines and visible signs of aging may appear more quickly. Corn oil is commonly used for frying and high-temperature cooking. But research shows that this oil can break down quickly when exposed to intense heat. Corn oil contains a large amount of polyunsaturated fats, which are chemically delicate. When these fats are heated repeatedly or exposed to very high temperatures, they begin to oxidize. Oxidation is a chemical reaction that produces unstable compounds known as lipid oxidation products. Scientists warn that these substances may place stress on cells throughout the body. During high-heat cooking, such as frying or deep sauteing, corn oil can form aldehydes and other oxidized molecules. Some nutrition researchers explain that these compounds may damage cellular structures when consumed regularly over time. Because older adults already experience natural declines in the body's repair systems. Exposure to oxidized cooking fats may create additional strain on tissues. Oxidative stress is one of the major processes involved in aging. It occurs when harmful reactive molecules accumulate faster than the body can neutralize them. Studies have shown that oxidative stress can gradually weaken collagen, the structural protein responsible for keeping skin firm and connective tissues strong. As collagen fibers break down, skin may lose elasticity. Joints may feel less supported, and blood vessels may become more vulnerable to stiffness. Some doctors advise limiting cooking oils that easily oxidize under high heat. Oils that break down rapidly during frying can introduce oxidation products that the body must work harder to process and repair. Over long periods, this repeated exposure may contribute to the gradual aging of skin, arteries, and joints. Canola oil is often marketed as a heart-healthy option, and it appears in many packaged foods and restaurant kitchens. However, nutrition researchers explain that most commercial canola oil undergoes extensive industrial processing before it reaches store shelves. The oil is typically extracted from seeds using high heat and chemical solvents, then refined, bleached, and deodorized to create a neutral taste and longer shelf life. These processes allow the oil to be produced in large quantities, but they may also affect its natural nutrient profile during heavy refining. Some of the naturally occurring nutrients found in the original oil can be reduced or removed. The repeated heating involved in industrial processing may also cause parts of the delicate fat structure to change. Scientists studying cooking oils explain that when fats are exposed to high temperatures during manufacturing, unstable compounds can begin to form. These compounds may become more reactive when the oil is later used again for cooking for adults over 50. This issue may be particularly relevant because the body already faces gradual increases in inflammation and oxidative stress with age. Some doctors warn that regular exposure to heavily processed oils could contribute to inflammatory responses in certain individuals. Inflammation and oxidative stress are both linked in research to the gradual weakening of collagen. Collagen is essential for maintaining firm skin, flexible joints, and healthy connective tissues. When collagen fibers are exposed to repeated inflammatory stress, they can break down more quickly. Over time, this deterioration may contribute to visible signs of aging and reduced tissue strength in older adults. Vegetable oil blends are often labeled simply as vegetable oil, but many of these products are actually mixtures of Several low-cost refined oils, including soybean, corn, or canola oil. Nutrition experts warn that the exact composition of these blends can vary from batch to batch, making it difficult for consumers to know exactly what they are consuming. These oils are typically highly processed, involving chemical extraction, high heat, and refining methods that strip away natural nutrients and make the fats more prone to break down. When these vegetable oil blends are exposed to repeated heating during frying, baking, or sautéing, they can form harmful byproducts. Scientists studying dietary fats explain that high heat exposure can create oxidized compounds, free radicals, and aldehydes, all of which contribute to oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful molecules accumulate faster than the body can neutralize them, placing strain on cells and tissues over time. For adults over 50 who already experience a natural decline in cellular repair mechanisms, this additional stress may accelerate the breakdown of structural proteins, collagen, the protein responsible for maintaining firm skin, flexible joints, and resilient connective tissues. Is particularly vulnerable to oxidative damage. Research indicates that repeated consumption of oxidized fats can weaken collagen fibers, leading to reduced skin elasticity and more pronounced signs of aging. Some doctors caution that regular use of blended vegetable oils for high-heat cooking may unintentionally contribute to these processes, making it a less desirable choice for maintaining healthy tissues and slowing age-related changes in the body. Thank you for spending these few minutes here. Growing older does not mean giving up strength or comfort. With the right foods and small daily choices, the body can continue to support you well. This channel is here to share simple, research-based guidance that helps people over 50 stay steady, active, and confident. Take care of yourself, listen to your body, and join us again for the next video.